Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Strix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we hang out together and unbox subscription boxes, review products, share our shopping hauls, and share a love for all things Disney. If any or all of that sounds like something you'd be interested in seeing more of, be sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time that I upload a new video. So I am really excited, and I do want to thank all of you who have joined our community. We actually reached on Christmas Day my goal, my 2020 goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, and because of everything that's happened in 2020, that's actually the only goal that I could accomplish. Big thank you to every single one of you who did hit that subscribe button, who did watch my videos, who liked them, who commented, who shared them out to everyone. Thank you so much. I could not have done it without you, and I am so grateful for all of your support. So today I am coming at you with a subscription box, the Wordy Traveler. So this says Wanderlust Fulfilled. The Wordy Traveler is a quarterly book-centered subscription box, and each quarter, and the way that they do their quarters, they have winter, spring, summer, and instead of fall, they have holiday, so like the holiday quarter. Each quarter, they center their box around a certain country or a certain region, have a book. You can choose from either nonfiction or fiction books and items from that region. And they have two different sizes. They have this size, which is the Backpackers edition, and then they have the full suitcase, which has more products than this size. I am going to be leaving in the description box down below a link so you can check everything out. So this is their holiday box. I'm not exactly sure if you can get that anymore. I think now that they are just selling their winter boxes. So the spoiler for the winter box was that winter takes us on a journey to Japan. So a little background about why this holiday box is not sold anymore, but I am opening it for you just so you can kind of get a feel of what is inside the box. I ordered this, I subscribed to the Wordy Traveler about a month and a half to 2 months ago, and I just got this box in. And I'm pointing that out because I want to like applaud, commend the Wordy Traveler for the work that they did. Pretty much once a box gets sent out, I never really blame the subscription box, if I'm being honest, about what happens in transit, if something gets delayed, if something gets lost or anything like that, because really and truly, that's not the subscription box's fault. But this, like, it never came. And I have to say, the Wordy Traveler stayed on top of it. They sent out an email, and I assume it was not just to me. I'm sure it was to everyone else this happened to. But an email about, hey, we know that XYZ happened, and we are taking care of it. We're on top of it. And they took care of it. They were on top of it, and they kept sending out those emails. And I really did appreciate that, because I've had some subscription boxes in the past, or just packages that I've ordered from, you know, like random companies, and things get delayed or things get lost, and they're like, well, it's not really our fault. Those sort of things. So like, I really do appreciate that the Wordy Traveler's customer support stayed on top of things. I didn't have to go and ask any questions. They delivered, and they delivered well with their packages. Let's open it up and see what is inside this quarter's package. All right, so when you open up the package, it's very nicely packaged. We have our Wordy Traveler elephant. So in this envelope, we do have an illustration, holiday illustration, bookish theme. All right, and the holiday journey is to Italy. All of the items that are in our journey on a card. So the Wordy Traveler does partner with Vitamin Angels. So with each box, a donation is made to Vitamin Angels that provides an entire year's worth of nutrition, both in the USA and around the world, for 2 children for a year, which is wonderful. So let's open up the box and see exactly what came in the holiday backpacker journey. So the first item that I'm pulling out is not really centered to Italy, but it is definitely something that I do use and could use in upcoming travels if I'm ever able to travel again. Hopefully one day soon. But it is a travel bucket bag. All right, so it comes with little small compartments, which is always nice to put things. I like to put like Q-tips and cotton swabs in compartments like this. And I've actually been looking like on Amazon and stuff for one of these bucket bags to put things in. I have a lot of different like foldable travel toiletry bags, but the bucket bag really intrigues me. So when you look inside, this, let me see if I can turn it inside out so you guys can see. So this is really cool. It has places to actually stick things. So you have some mesh portions here, and you have your little loopy hoopy things to stick in. Wow, I am so descriptive. But this is something that can definitely come in handy. Even if you are not a traveler, or you know, we're living in a situation where we can't really travel that often, this would definitely be something that I could use even in the apartment just to store things. Ooh, this is beautiful. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out is a bookmark. It's an Italian leather bookmark. The tassel has a nice heft to it. So each quarter, Wordy Traveler sends a little charm. I guess you could either put these on a charm bracelet or on a necklace. I don't have a charm bracelet, but I do like that the hook is large enough that you could put it on a necklace if you would like. And this quarter's, since it is, of course, Italy, we have the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, so we have something that's not on the card. I'm not exactly sure why I received it, but I will take it. We have some coffee and we have some tea. So on the card, we have this European breakfast blend from Ohio Tea Co. or Tea Company. And not on the card, but we have some coffee. We have some Cioccolato Fondente coffee from the Pearl Coffee Company out of Ohio. I wonder if they are these like kind of like partnered companies? Not exactly sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. So I cannot smell this, and I'm not going to open it, but I cannot smell this through the packaging. Let me open up the European breakfast blend though. So this has a blend of black teas from India, Ceylon, and China. So it is loose tea. Oh, that smells wonderful. It smells like fresh black tea. Beautiful. I am going to have a cup of this tomorrow. Let me know in the comments down below, are you more of a coffee drinker or a tea drinker in the morning? I like both. It kind of just depends on the day. How beautifully wrapped is this? Next we have a Murano glass ornament. Glass made on a Venetian island. So this is beautiful to put on a tree, but honestly, it's so gorgeous. I kind of just want to hang it up year round. I love the detailing, and I'm not exactly sure if the camera is picking it up, but on the inside of the ornament, it just looks like air is like suspended in space, or kind of like cosmic dust particles or suspended. This is gorgeous. I know, and I apologize in advance that I'm going to mispronounce this name. Next, we have a print of an oil by Denis Kuviev, I think. I will take it out of its wrapping so you can see it a bit better. I love that it came with matting. Beautiful. The colors are just gorgeous. All right, and now for the book. The nonfiction book is from Tim Parks, and it's Italian Ways on and off the rails from Milan to Palermo. This book is right up my alley, because I actually, about a year and a half ago, I would like to say, I don't know. It was like March or April of last year. I actually planned out a train trip from the top of Italy, or like the south of France, technically. So from there, all the way to Palermo, because my mom's family is from like a village outside of Palermo, but I just wanted to see all of it, and I wanted to actually do it on trains and like rent a car here and there. Obviously that fell through for this year. Hopefully sometime in the future I can take that train trip, but this is going to be perfect. So this, in Italian Ways, Tim Parks delivers a revealing portrait of contemporary Italy by riding its trains from Verona to Milan, Rome to Palermo, and all the way down the heel. And through his encounters with conductors and ticket takers, priests and prostitutes, scholars and lovers along the way, Parks charmingly captures what makes Italian life so distinctive. So I'm going to do this book review much like I do with our Book of the Month book review. I'm going to read this, so I'm going to read Italian Ways, and next Wordy Traveler unboxing, I will let you know what I thought about this book. So stay tuned. In a month or so, I will be reviewing this book. All right, so let me know down below in the comments what your favorite item from the holiday backpacker edition of the Wordy Traveler was. This was my first box from the Wordy Traveler, but so far I was really impressed with the contents that came in it. I love book subscription boxes in general. You will be seeing a lot of them coming up on this channel in the next few months. months. But a lot of bookish sort of subscription boxes tend to like center everything around the book itself. And kind of if you don't like the book, like from what I've seen in subscription boxes I've received, but also in like watching other YouTube videos, if you're not a giant fan of the book, you might not like all of the items within the box. That is something that I really did enjoy about Wordy Traveler, was that even if you don't, like, I have no clue about this book, I don't know if I'm gonna like this book, I'm sure I will like this book, but I could definitely enjoy and use all of the other items because they were themed more so for the region or for the country than for the actual book. And I think that that's a really neat quality about the Wordy Traveler and something that sort of like sets them apart from other book subscription boxes that I have received. And so since this is a quarterly subscription box, I am going to be getting this box for an entire year before I give my full opinion of it. So if you do want to see the other quarters boxes and see what my opinion of it as the quarters unfold and as the year unfolds, definitely do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell. That way you will be notified when my next The Wordy Traveler subscription box unboxing does appear on this YouTube page. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!